Hi everyone and welcome back to today's video. I hope you are doing well. In this one I'm coming to you guys with unboxing video, and I'm quite excited to unbox this box for you because it's something that I'm looking forward. So I went ahead and bought Cosmetips X Patricia Bright beauty box, which is of course this humongous box here, and this is how the packaging looks like, of course, when you receive the box. So I just love the gold and the black detailing going on here. I think it's quite cute. So that's that. And if you guys don't know who Cosmetips is, it is a company that does collabs with influencers to create beauty boxes. So I'm quite excited to go ahead and unbox this one and show you guys what's inside. So to begin with, let's start how much on this box retails for. So I picked this one for £110 and I paid let's have a look how much I paid for shipping. I paid on top of that £20.40, which means my order, the total came to £130.40 for the whole entire box. So yeah, let's get straight into unboxing this and see what kind of goodies we have in here. So let's get started. So of course we have this this beautiful ribbon situation going on here. So I'm gonna take this one off, and this one is nicely packaged, so I'm going to go ahead and just remove and okay. Have a look. So you can see how it has been packaged. We get all this bubble wrap in there just for protection, and here we have the goodies. So let's begin by, of course, I'll show you the booklet. So it comes with this, like I said, this booklet right here, and of course it just tells you what's inside this box, which I'm quite excited, you guys. So this is really good. Anyway, you guys, can I just say that I do appreciate the packaging, like the way this has been packaged. It's very professional, and it makes me look expensive and feel expensive when I do unboxing. So yeah, that is really good. Anyway, so if you were to purchase these products individually, so the whole entire box, it's worth £328, but it's just going for £110, which I think it's really good price. Anyway, enough talking. Let me go ahead and start pulling some products so we can see what we have in here. So we have the first product here. Oops. So looking at here, I'm pulling out the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, which is of course this one here. I'm quite actually excited that we have this palette in here because I don't own anything from Huda Beauty, so this is very exciting for me. I'm quite excited to try the formula of this palette, not only that, to own something. So yeah, that's quite exciting. Let me go ahead and open it and see how it looks like. So here we go. It looks like this, very beautiful packaging. You can see the roses everywhere there, and this eye makeup look, that looks stunning. So that and when you open it, of course, we get this this card in here, and then wow, look at those shades, OM to the G. Wow, you guys, look at that. That looks beautiful. So looking at this, it is a combination of mattes and metallics as well. Wow, those shades look stunning, and I cannot wait to try this palette, you guys. I think I will do another video just me trying the products in this box. So if you guys are interested, make sure that you look out for that video. But yeah, I'll do a separate video for that. But yeah, that's how they look like. They're gorgeous. And this one retails for, let me just quickly have a look, for £56, that palette. So I think it's a really good buy that it is being included in this beauty box. And next one, of course, I'm seeing this some brush sets, you guys. Look at those, they look beautiful. So these ones are from Spectrum, and they are Zodiac 5-piece face brush sets. So let's go ahead and take this thing off. More brushes, and just take them out. Oh wow, They look nice. So that's how they look like. 5-piece, gold and black. Nice. So you do have like, you know, like some highlighter brush and some powder brush and foundation brush as well. So that's quite nice actually. Yeah, they're cute. And those one retails for how much are they going for? They retail for £35. So yeah, that is that. And this cute bag here, I mean, you can you know, keep your brushes in there, or you can, you know, keep your makeup in here as well. So that's nice. And next up we have some products from Nars. You guys, I'm quite excited about this. So the first item we have is this Powermatte lip pigment, which of course the packaging looks like this. And let me quickly open it, have a look. So here is the actual packaging. That's quite cute. And this one, it's called Slow Ride. Let me quickly swatch it. Wow, this is a very beautiful shade, you guys. So that's how that shade looks like. I used to use one of these before. What was the name of that? The one that I used to use? It was called Star Woman. Yeah, Star Woman. I used to use one of those, so I know the formula of this really good. So I love it, and I'm quite happy that I'm going to try this shade. But yeah, I already know you know, the formula of this, and I just love them. But anyway, that is that. And this one retails for £23 for this. So far so good. That's a very good color, by the way, which I love. And it looks more like what would you call this color? It's more like a softy kind of browny pinky maybe, or how do you describe this color? It's more like a brown pinkish, I guess, but looks beautiful. Definitely I cannot wait to try that color. And again from Nars we have a favorite of mine. I used this one before and I know how it performs, and I think everybody in the beauty community who loves this product, I'm pretty sure they have it already. And this one is their, of course, blush called Orgasm. You guys, it's this one here. I'm quite happy that we get this one because I used to use exactly the same shade, so I know how this works. It's a very beautiful shade, and definitely I'm here for it. Look at that. So stunning, very beautiful. Let me just quickly give it a good, oh, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous. You can't really see much, but it's a very beautiful color, and I've used this one in the past. I know how it performs, and definitely I love it. And wow, we have this one in here. That's really cool. And this retails for £25. So alright, so next up we have this product here from Murad, and this one is their AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser, which of course looks like this. So this is the actual outer packaging. That's how it looks like. And let me quickly open it so you can see what we have inside here. And straight away you can see we have this beautiful looking packaging here. So that's how that looks like. And this one's supposed to do what? Let me quickly have a look, because definitely I did not try this product, so I have no idea what this is supposed to do. I can, you know, clearly see it's a cleanser, but you know what is it supposed to, you know, get rid of. So let's have a look. So it says this polishes away dullness and impurities for a smoother, younger looking complexion. It clears pores. Oh, I do have large pores. That is good. That is good. So it clears pores of dead skin cells and removing dirty and impurities, which that sounds really amazing, because you guys, I do have large pores, and definitely, you know, it's always a good idea to, you know, to get rid of those you know, dead skin. So yeah, I hope this gonna, you know, help with that. And it's also said it can be used all over the body, so quite excited about that. And how many times can we use it? Use 2 to 3 times weekly. So definitely it's something that I am looking forward to trying. Who doesn't love a good, you know, exfoliating cleanser? I know I do. So that is definitely a bargain that we have it in there. And this one retails for, quickly have a look, £38 for this. £38, and we are getting 200 mils of product, so it's quite big. It's a big bottle, big tube, so definitely I will be using this, and hopefully it's going to help my skin looking beautiful. All right, so let's have a look what we have next in the box. So we have this one here from Sunday Rally, and it's called Ultra Clarifying Face Oil, which is of course comes in this box right here. That's how it looks like, and let me quickly open it so you can see how it looks like. So it is of course oil, and the color is a green, looks like that. So reading here on the box, it says, for blemish and blackhead prone skin, this 1.5% salicylic acid dry oil clears congested pores while smoothing the appearance of lines and wrinkles for hydrating, purifying support. So I'm quite excited about this because, you guys, I do have you know, I do get blackheads, and it's just you know, it's just there, let's just put it that way. So I always try to, you know, to use product that helps with that, and I'm quite looking forward to trying this product. I've never heard about this one, and definitely I am, you know, excited to give it a go and see what it will do to, you know, to my skin. So yeah, that is that. And this one retails for 34 pounds. Let me just quickly smell it. Okay, interesting. And definitely the color is green. Smells very interesting. All right, okay. And yeah, so that is that. And yeah, and what does it say? Instruction, it says can be applied day or night, and after cleansing, skin massage in with this oil, of course, to skin, neck and chest as needed. UFO is a dry oil and will absorb quickly, so that sounds good as well. So that is that product. Next, let's move on to what else we have in this box. Of course, oh, you guys, this next product, I have a feeling that everybody, their mama, their papa, everybody in the beauty community, I have a feeling that everybody has this product in their makeup collection. I just have a feeling about this because we're talking about this Mercier setting powder, you guys, which is this one here, and this one is translucent. I have used this powder before, so I know how it performs. I know the formula. I already know the powder because it's something that I've used you know, in the past. So definitely I'm quite happy that I get to have this one in here. It's such a good powder, that is for sure. If you have this one, you definitely know that it's such a great powder. So I'm quite happy that, you know, this is being included in here. It is the full size, which I love. So yeah, we have a backup, more powder, so that is nice. And this one here retails for 30 pounds, so very good that we have it in this box. So last product we have in here, and I think this is like the product that I am, you know, quite excited about, and probably the most expensive product in the whole entire you know, box, and it's this one here from Elemis, which is this product here, you guys. And this one is of course a dynamic resurfacing day cream, SPF 30. So this is how the actual outer packaging looks like. This is the most expensive product. I know this company does a very you know, awesome product when it comes to skincare. They are just killing the game, should I just put it that way. And their product are a little bit up there on the price, not a little bit, but they're actually up there. And yeah, I'm quite really happy. I think that I get to have this one in this box. This is like, yeah, I'm quite excited about this one. And this one retails for 87 pounds. 87 for this one. So you can imagine that the whole entire beauty box itself retails for 110 pounds, and then this one item retails for 87 pounds. So you can imagine, like, you are really getting a good bargain in this box. So anyway, let me go ahead and open this. I love a good skincare, so yeah. And the packaging looks very luxurious, you know, when you look at this. So this is how it looks like, of course. The packaging, very cute, and we are getting 50 ml of product, so it's a full size. That is good. And how it is supposed to be, you know, used, let's have a look. So reading, getting some instruction, because I haven't used this product before. So let's just see a little bit what it says here. So we have alright, so it says this day moisturizer with SPF 30, protecting, gently resurfacing the skin by stimulating the natural cell renewal cycle. Skin appears naturally smoother and signs of skin aging are reduced. Yes, I am I want my, you know, my signs of aging to be reduced. So this sounds very good product, and wow, actually I am looking forward to using this product. Can you actually use it during the night? It says day cream. Okay, I guess it's only just reading a direction. Apply every morning to cleanse skin for optimum results. Use as part of the dynamic resurfacing program. Okay, so every morning. All right. Right now it is already, what's the time? Almost nearly 10 o'clock in the evening. So definitely tomorrow morning I will be using this product, and I'm quite excited to, you know, to give my skin a good product, skincare product. So yeah, anyway, that's pretty much what was in the box, you guys. Wow, I cannot believe that everything in here retails only for 110 pounds. That is a very good buy, if you ask me. Like, in like genuinely speaking, that is a really good buy, because you are saving a lot, like over 66%, I'm guessing. So that's a lot of saving, and you know, you are getting really good products in here, and I'm quite excited, especially for this cream here, and even for the oil that I've never tried before. I really am looking forward to this, and some of my, you know, my old goodies, which is of course the powder here, and you know, even the, what is it, where did I put it, you know, the Nars blush, and that lipstick as well. So yeah, we do have really good product in this box, and I'm quite happy that I actually got my hands on this product, because man, the price is good, and I cannot wait to dig into this product and, you know, just use them and see how they perform, of course. So with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and also I think in my upcoming video I want to be trying some of this product, like the palette, and you know, the cream and everything. I want to do like you know, like a first impression of some of the things which are in this box, because some of them I've never used them before, and some of them I have. But anyway, I just want to do like, you know, like apply everything on, and then just give you my, you know, my first impression on what I think about the product. So if you are up for that video, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and that video of course will be next. And yeah, don't forget to also ring your notification bell so you are notified for every time I upload a new video. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Lots of love. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will catch you on my next one. Take care, and bye for now.